Right, Sound Bomb Mini for my bike. Denali. Everybody seems to say that's the one to go for. So I have. Be placing it's a piece of cake. Resumed. Oh. I'm using my phone to do this, so that's the old one. It's cack. I've got the loud exhaust now, so I need to get this just as loud when I press the button, that is. So it's quite a unit, thickness wise. Easy as pie. Right, let's see what it sounds like before. You just unscrew that one. Right, it's fitted. It's tight actually, like I had to make sure it cleared when I'm moving left to right. Not like you do that much on your bike, but you do when you're trying to park it and whatnot. Here we go. Yep, success.